Hey everyone! Welcome back to Z Sharif Medical Information. I'm so glad you're here because today we're talking about something really important, our health. And more specifically, how to make some simple changes to our diets to feel our best. Now, I'm not a fan of the word diet because it conjures up images of deprivation and restrictions. Instead, I want to focus on easy, sustainable changes we can make at home to support our weight management goals naturally. We're going to ditch the complicated diet fads and talk about real practical tips that can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. Let's get started. One of the simplest ways to take control of your diet is by incorporating more protein and fiber into your meals. You see, protein is a powerhouse when it comes to keeping you feeling full and satisfied. And when you're satisfied, you're less likely to give in to those pesky cravings. Think about it this way. Have you ever noticed that after a meal heavy in carbs like pasta, you're hungry again pretty quickly? But if you have a meal with a good source of protein, like chicken or fish, you stay fuller for longer. That's the power of protein. So, how do you make sure you're getting enough protein? Aim to include a source of protein with each meal. This could be chicken breast, a salmon fillet, a handful of almonds, Greek yogurt, or even lentils or beans for my plant-based friends out there. Now let's talk about fiber. Fiber is like the unsung hero of the digestive system. It adds bulk to your food, which helps you feel full, but it also helps regulate your blood sugar levels. This is important because when your blood sugar levels are stable, you have more energy. You're less likely to experience those energy crashes that leave you reaching for sugary snacks, and you're supporting your overall health. Where do you find fiber? Fruits, vegetables, whole grains. Load up on those. And a little pro tip, when you're grocery shopping, look for bread and pasta that are labeled as whole grain or high fiber. It's a simple swap that can make a big difference. You might be surprised to learn that getting enough sleep is one of the most effective home remedies for diet control. It's not just about feeling refreshed, it's about keeping your hormones in check. You see, when you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the hormone ghrelin, which stimulates appetite, and less of the hormone leptin, which signals fullness. So basically, lack of sleep throws your hunger cues out of whack, making you more likely to overeat. And it gets worse. When you're tired, you're more likely to crave sugary, fatty foods for a quick energy boost. We've all been there, right? But here's the good news. Getting a good night's sleep can help you regulate those hunger hormones naturally. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. This means creating a relaxing bedtime routine, making sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool, and avoiding caffeine and alcohol before bed. Let's talk about sugar. It's delicious, there's no denying that, but it's also one of the biggest culprits behind weight gain and other health problems. Sugary drinks in particular are a major source of empty calories. They provide very little nutritional value and can lead to those dreaded sugar rushes and crashes. So, what's the solution? Start by swapping out sugary drinks for healthier alternatives. Water is always the best choice, of course, but you can also enjoy unsweetened herbal teas or green tea. Green tea, in particular, has been shown to have some amazing health benefits, including boosting metabolism. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but what about when those sugar cravings hit? Believe me, I get it. The key is to be prepared. Always keep healthy snacks on hand so that when hunger strikes, you're not tempted to reach for that candy bar. Have you ever finished a meal and realized you barely tasted it? Or maybe you've mindlessly finished a bag of chips while watching TV? We've all been there. That's where mindful eating comes in. It's about paying attention to your food, savoring each bite, and really being present during mealtimes. It sounds simple, but in our fast-paced world, it's easy to rush through meals without really thinking about what we're eating. Here are a few tips to practice mindful eating. First, eliminate distractions. Put away your phone, turn off the TV, and really focus on your food. Second, chew your food thoroughly. This not only aids digestion but also gives your brain time to register that you're full, preventing overeating. And finally, try using smaller plates. This can help you control portion sizes without feeling deprived. Now let's talk about a few bonus tips that can make a big difference in your weight management journey. First, up water. I can't emphasize enough how important it is to stay hydrated. Water helps regulate appetite, boosts metabolism, and flushes out toxins. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day. Next, let's talk about spices. Certain spices, like ginger and cayenne pepper, can actually help curb appetite and boost metabolism. Add them to your meals for a flavor boost and an extra health kick. And finally, let's not forget the importance of regular physical activity. Exercise not only burns calories but also helps regulate hormones, improves sleep, and boosts your mood. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's walking, running, dancing, or swimming, and make it a part of your routine. That's it for today's video on home remedies for diet control. Remember, these simple tips can make a big difference in your weight management journey and overall health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they can benefit from these tips too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Welcome back, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into 5 simple yet effective tips to help you on your weight loss journey. Listen up, because we're talking about real strategies that get real results. I'm not about quick fixes. This is about building a sustainable, healthy lifestyle. Let's get started. We're kicking things off with aerobic exercise. And let me tell you, it's not just about getting your heart rate up. It's about building that lean muscle mass. And why is lean muscle mass so important? Because it turns you into a calorie-crushing machine, 24/7. That's right, even when you're at rest, your body is working harder, burning more calories. So find an aerobic activity you enjoy, running, swimming, dancing, whatever gets you moving, and make it a non-negotiable part of your routine. This is where you take control. Don't be fooled by flashy packaging and health claims. Flip that box over and become a label detective. You're looking for hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and sodium levels that are through the roof. Compare brands. You'd be surprised at the difference between 2 seemingly similar yogurts. One might be packed with sugar, while the other is a protein powerhouse. Knowledge is power, people. Time to get real about processed foods. They're loaded with trans fats, added sugar, and enough sodium to make you retain water for days. This is not fuel for your body. This is sabotage. I want you to focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats are what will give you the energy and nutrients to crush your workouts and reach your goals. Listen up, because this is important. The number on the scale doesn't tell the whole story. Sure, it's a data point, but it doesn't reflect the muscle you're building or the fat you're losing. Pay attention to how your clothes fit. Are your pants looser? Do you feel stronger and more energized? Those are the real indicators of progress. A smaller waistline not only looks good, but is also linked to better overall health. You become the company you keep. It's true in life, and it's true in fitness. Surround yourself with people who share your health goals. Find a workout buddy, join a fitness class, or connect with other healthy-minded individuals online. Believe me, when you have a supportive network cheering you on, you're far more likely to stay motivated and reach your full potential. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to these tips and you'll see progress in no time. Don't let anything derail you from your goals. You've got the power to transform your body and your life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Stay healthy and stay motivated.